jump in wherever you feel able. It says optional violin. I believe that to be a lie. You desperately need the violin. It really makes this piece. We're going to do this one with the CD as well. It gets a little tricky in here. So again, please feel free to sing along. Y'all did very well on the chorus. You were a little hesitant on the verses last time. So go ahead, jump in here, whatever octave register works for you.
From the home I started, left the girls of church so sad and broken hearted, saluted Father dear, kissed me darling mother, drank the bite of beer, me grief and tears to smother, then off to reap the corn, leave where I was born, God the stuff that for to vanish, ghost and goblins, mother, bear of bronze, working o'er the post and writing all the dots on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up the hill and turn it down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack for so weary started my day night this morning by the early turn, the drum of the pure to keep me heart from sinking. That's a Paddy's cure whenever he's done drinking. See the lassie smile, laughing all the while at me curious style. Said you're long above and asked me was I high, wages I required. I was almost tired of rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up the hill and turned her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin, whack along the law. In Dublin next arrived, I thought it be a pity to be soon deprived of view of that fine city. So then I took a stroll all among the quality. Me bundle it was stole all in a neat locality. Something crossed me mind when I looked behind. No bundle could I find upon me stick. A woman inquiring for the road, they said me Connaught Brogue wasn't much in vogue on the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The boys of Liverpool, when I safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand it, blood began to boil. Temper I was losing, moral errands they began abusing around my soul, says I. Shillelagh I the flies, and Galway boys were by. They saw I was a hobbling with a loud parade. They joined in not the fray. We quickly cleared the way from the rocky road to Dublin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.